The hijab row now seems to have hit the Jadavpur University. Let's break that story for our viewers. At the Jadavpur University, students have alleged that two Muslim female students were forced to remove their hijabs during an examination. Now, this allegation is coming against a teacher who was conducting checks during the examination, and the incident seems to have taken place last Sunday during an examination of the English department at the Jadavpur University in Kolkata. According to the students, the teacher suspected that some students were using earphones and started to check when it comes to the students inside the examination hall. It is being alleged that during this checking process, two Muslim students were asked to remove their hijab so their ears could be checked, and this incident has led to outrage against the teacher. Rajesh is connected with us right now. Rajesh, what has been happening as far as in Jadavpur University is concerned? The students have been raising allegations of their hijabs being forcefully removed. But what is now the authorities on part of the university saying?
University authority is not willing to speak on camera right now, but we have spoken with few professors in the same department. They are saying that it was not intentional. That was a part of the process because as per the sources, one of the students of the same department was caught by another teacher on the very same day with another Bluetooth earphone inside the examination hall. So following which they were being checked, every students were being checked. So as the part of the checking procedure, the two Muslim students who were wearing hijabs were also asked to remove their hijab for the checking purpose only. Not only that, they were taken to another room in presence of two female teachers. One of their head of the department of English department, Professor Shashwati Haldar, and another was non-teaching staff. She was also female staff. So in presence of two female staffs, two Muslim students, female students were taken to another room for the checking purpose, and they were asked to remove their hijabs to check their ears whether there were any Bluetooth earphone or not. So following which the HOD Professor Shashwati Haldar has also apologized before the student for this procedure, saying that was part of her job because another student was caught with earphone during the examination. So but following which the student came back to her hostel, and later she posted a message in their WhatsApp group, of their batch, where she alleged that her hijab was forcefully removed by the teacher. Following which some students protested on the stage of convocation on 24th December happened inside Jadavpur University. Right now, that matter has been taken up by the West Bengal Sankhyalugu Commission, which is the minority commission of West Bengal, and now commission has taken up this matter. Chairperson of the commission, along with other members of the commission, will be going to Jadavpur University probably on Tuesday to have a word with the university authority regarding this matter. Back to you.
All right. So the incident that has led to outrage against the teacher having been apologizing of this incident elsewhere, but the Jadavpur University has issued a clarification following the controversy. The university says that there must be some misunderstanding regarding the incident. In its response, the university stated that no teacher supports such behavior and added that such complaints have never been raised before. The university further said that the incident may have not been intentional. However, when it comes to how this issue has now been picked up politically, the West Bengal Congress chief has now accused the BJP and the TMC of these things happening in Bengal just because of polarizing politics of the TMC and the BJP, as he's further said that both of them are taking political advantage from this polarization. Reactions that are now coming on part of the Congress party as well in the state of West Bengal over this incident being reported in the Jadavpur University.
Very unfortunate. This is the Bengal of Ramakrishna, Jato Mat Tato Path. This is the Bengal for Subhash Chandra Bose, Vivekanand, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and Abul Kalam Azad. This is the detrimental for the development and the growth of the society, which is doing very cautiously TMC and BJP, both, only to save their existence.
Now, speaking of the Congress there, let's get you the live